Chris, you know what the questions were going to be before you walked in, I'm sure, because Gareth Bale's name isn't there. Was it? Well, I'm sure it wasn't the easiest decision, but a sensible decision, maybe?
Yeah, just saying there, we never thought that that's how far we've come, that we can afford to leave Gareth Bale out of the squad. But he's not ready to take part in these 2 games. I think this period, he needs a bit of downtime in Madrid. He'll have a special programme there. And rather than training every day with us, concentrating on 2 games, I think that's going to do him any good. It won't do us any good in the long run because I think that'll be taxing on him. We're looking at the bigger picture, which is the tournament, of course. So it was. It's never easy when you've got a player of his capabilities. You want him involved in every game, but we've got to look at the bigger picture and think he needs to spend a bit more time there. 2 weeks really where he can just concentrate on his fitness. He doesn't have to worry about games. And you're always, building up to this moment where you think, well, we've got him in the squad. You're hoping and praying and maybe, but if we're honest, it's no big surprise for us. And more importantly, he'll have this 2 weeks where he can look after himself, get ready to play a few more games for Madrid, and then he'll be ready for us.
Aaron Ramsey's out as well. You don't want to see players injured, but it wasn't the worst timing in the world maybe. He was looking very tired during the last few games with Arsenal. So again, it's a break. It's not great having an injury, but timing could have been worse, I'm sure.
Yeah, the thing is with Aaron, when he plays, whenever he's on the pitch, if he plays 90 minutes, you're guaranteed, if you look at his stats, he covers more ground than any other player. His physical output is incredible, So I think it's not a bad thing. He'll disagree because he wants to play every game, and it's a shame for Arsenal because they need him. I think for us, like I said, we want our strongest team on the pitch every game because we want to get results. Of course we do, and want to get performances. But I think because of what's coming in the summer, we want all our players in the ascendancy going into the tournament. So maybe a little bit of downtime for Aaron now. He won't see it that way and Arsenal won't. But if we're being selfish, we think it's not the end of the world. You can have a bit of a rest now and then building towards the end of the season, ready for what's coming.